What's up to my furry friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to create a Google Meet, specifically creating a Google Meet through the Gmail app. Now through the Gmail app, it makes it super simple to do, and I know you could download a separate app if you'd like, but you could do all this stuff through the Gmail app if you want to just not have to download any other apps. So once you're on the Gmail app itself, you're going to hit the little camera icon in the bottom right hand corner, and then it's going to take you to this tab here, which is the Meet tab. It's going to give you a couple different options from here, but if you've never been here before, you're going to want to click the blue New Meeting button. It's going to bring up a bunch of different options at the bottom of the screen, but from there you could just click Start New Meeting, and it's going to take you to this screen there where it's going to give you a link for your meeting where you could share it out with the people that you want to join your meeting, obviously. And anybody that gets this link, they'll just automatically click on it, and it's going to bring you to this screen here where you could then join. And of course, before you join, you have the option to turn your camera and microphone on or off to make sure that there isn't anything that you don't want to see or hear for the other meeting participants. Once you start your meeting, it's probably going to come up like this where it says you're the only one here. But obviously, if you have like a scheduled meeting time or you send your invite out to whoever you want to meet with, it's not going to be long before they join the meeting. And then you could see their profile picture or their face, depending on if they have their camera turned on, and then their audio based on whatever they're saying. And you could have a conversation with them, basically like a FaceTime call would be. It's just a little different and a little bit more professional to have it on Google Meets. But that's pretty much all there is to it. If you had any questions about this tutorial or any of the other features inside of Google Meets or Gmail, be sure to leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this tutorial helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.